So what is a lot size in Forex, guys? So just to explain this as brief and simple as I can, I'm just gonna give you guys the definition of it. Then I'm gonna take you guys to a live example. I'm gonna bring you guys to the chart, to my trading platform, so you guys can see how I input it, how I input 10 cents, a dollar, $10, $100, things of that nature. I'm also gonna show you, once you place a trade, what a take profit is and what a stop loss is. So the explanation of a lot size is going to be a measuring unit. It's a unit that we use. It's a unit measuring a transaction amount. Sorry that I got stuck there. It's just a little hard to explain. So a lot size is a unit measuring a transaction amount. So when you place orders on your trading platform, such as your MT4 or MT5, the orders are placed in sizes quoted in lots. I'm going to give you guys an example that I found on babypips.com. You guys can go in there and check them out yourselves. They have anything Forex related, and they're just going to go in there and give you the basic knowledge as well. Any questions that you have, you guys can jump on that website as well. So the egg carton example. When you buy a box of eggs, it usually brings 12 eggs. There's boxes of eggs that are going to bring 24 eggs, and some that are going to bring 50 eggs. And some that are going to bring 100, and some that are going to bring 1,000. Obviously, we're not going to be buying boxes of eggs that bring 1,000 eggs, but just to give you guys the gist of it in lot sizes. All right, guys, just getting on here real quick to show you guys and demonstrate you a live example on lot sizes, on how you can input them and how you can read them out on your trading platform or any of your platforms that you might be using. So right here at the top, we're going to have the buy or the sell button. This is MetaTrader 4. We have the buy or the sell button. You can see if we click this and there's no amount and the amount is 0.00, we're not going to be able to input a trade, correct? We're going to have to put an amount. So let's say we're starting off with micro lots. Micro lots, so we're going to input them are going to be 0.01. And micro lots are going to be equivalent anywhere from 10 cents to 90 cents. So micro lots, let's say we input 0.01, that's going to be 10 cents. Let's say we want to input 20 cents, 0.02, 30 cents, 0.03. As you can see right over here, we took a sell. Give me a second. That's the stop loss. We took a sell for 10 cents. Price pushed 10 pips in a direction. We just made $1. Our take profit should be right here. This is our TP. If price, when we sold, would have pushed against me and hit our stop loss, we would have been out of the trade and we would have lost the amount measured between the stop loss and the lot size that we're throwing in. So later on, I'm going to show you guys how to calculate your stop loss, but as of right now, just want to show you guys how to read out and input your lot sizes. So let's say we're throwing in a mini lot. Now you want to go up, instead of throwing in cents, you want to throw in $1. That's going to be a mini lot. The way you're going to input $1 is 0.10. So for 10 cents, it was 0.01. For a mini lot, it's 0.10. Let's say you want to throw in $2, that's going to be 0.02, 0.20, $3, 0.30. Say you want to throw in $4.50, 0.45. Why? Because this one right here is going to be the micro, this is going to be the mini, and the next one up is going to be the standard. So just to continue with the mini lot, 0.10. As you can see right here, we input a sell for a mini lot, which is $1. Price moves 10 pips in our direction, you just made $10. Price moves 20 pips, you just made $20. Let's say you're getting more familiar with your system or your strategy, you're finding more of a winning edge, your psychology is intact, you're more comfortable with your risk management, you have it intact, you have it in place, you have that base, that foundation, and you want to just start going up and start trading a standard lot. A standard lot is going to be 1.00. That's going to be $10. So do not get confused, guys. This is This is not a dollar. You're actually inputting right here $10. This is $10 that you're trading per pip. So we put a standard, a one lot. We sold right here, stop loss over here, just to give you guys an example. Price moves 10 pips in your direction. You just made $100. Why? Because $10 that you traded times 10 pips is going to be equivalent to $100. 10 times 10 equals 100. Same thing with a two lot. You want to throw in $20 per pip, right? You want to throw in $20. Price moves 10 pips in your direction. Guess what? You just made $200. Where it starts getting a little complicated is when you gotta start, when you want to type out a more more detailed amount. Let's say your risk management, you've done your calculations, and you want to throw in $25 with 30 cents. The way you're going to input $25 with 30 cents is 2.53, right? So guys, if a standard lot is 1.00, and this is how we input it. One little trick that I was shown when I first started was to just move the decimal point down and just read it out. So if you see this 1.00, move the decimal point down, you're actually throwing in $10, right? So yeah, this was just as brief as I could. Just wanted to simplify it as much as I can. As you can see, this sell right here with this one lot, price is currently 18 pips in profit, which is giving us a total of $185 at the moment. So if we close out this trade or close out these trades, the amount will go directly into our account, and that's how we're going to be able to make some money on Forex.